Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on decimals and powers of 10 worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet where we can practice multiplying different decimals by powers of 10. Now we've had a lesson on this very topic and it's explained the process involved. So if you need to look at that lesson, when you go to the last slide on this particular video, there'll be a link, and if you click on the link, it'll take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. Let's see what's required here. Multiply each of the following decimals by the given power of 10. Number 1, 9.32 times 10, that's 10 to the power of 1. Number 2, 5.972 times 100, that's 10 squared. Number 3, 16.9752 by 1000, that's 10 to the power of 3. Number 4, 0.82 times 10 squared. Number 5, 0.7529 times 10 to the power of 3. This number is 10 to the power of 4. That number is 10 to the power of 3. And that number we multiply by 10 squared. Multiply by the appropriate powers of 10 to make the following conversions. So each of these conversions can be done by multiplication, but you have to find the appropriate power of 10. So you have to know the conversions. Change 67 centimetres to millimetres. Change 45.6 metres to centimetres. Change 98.2 kilometres to metres. Change 32.4 hectares to square metres. Change 56 litres to millilitres. And change 0.0076 litres to millilitres. So it's very, very important for you to know the conversions here, because if you don't know the conversions, then you will not know what power of 10 to multiply by. So that's very, very important. So this video has produced a worksheet where we can practice multiplying given decimals by powers of 10. There is a lesson on the topic, so if you need to access the lesson, on the last slide there is a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do each and every one of the examples.